Today we're going to be doing the unboxing review of the Adventure Force Rebel Mech. Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary prop blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see in this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below. So let's get started on the unboxing review of the Adventure Force Rebel Mech.
More. Okay.
Got him?
So, and let's see, what does the box say? 30 darts. So this comes with a drum mag that holds 30 rounds and all of the 30 darts here. And you can see that's what the darts look like for the Adventure Force. So they've got like a little cone tip on the end there. And how many batteries does this need?
Dart looks like about. If I can get a
Screwdriver. Yeah, you'll go ahead to grab a screwdriver here.
Yes.
I'll go ahead and start loading these in here.
Is the manual in here?
Here's the scissors.
I think we just follow.
I don't know if
that.
it does come with a manual.
I mean, I'm sure this right here is the release and the battery tray.
Watch,
there.
we'll open up the rest of the box later and we'll find the manual.
I'm not seeing one, but it seems to be
It might be like trapped in between right there.
I don't know. Well, anyway, go ahead and keep loading it up.
Okay.
Let's see what I find in here. Ah, here it is. It's actually on the bottom.
Oh,
Bottom
okay.
of the package, folks. So there's where you put the batteries. Okay, so yep.
Okay, that's just showing you how to remove
That's the jam. That's the jam
the
door.
jam door.
Right here.
And in the very back right here, that's where the batteries go,
Yep,
in
so I'm
this
gonna go-
little thing that swings up
Yep,
there.
so go ahead and load those up. I'm gonna go grab a Phillips head screwdriver to open the tray up and then get some batteries in. Looks like how
And
many
it looks
double A's?
like 4 AA batteries.
Yep, classic 4 double A's. So I'm gonna get those next. All right, so we got the Phillips head. Requires kind of a smaller Phillips head screwdriver. So make sure you get that too. So boom, opens up the hatch.
Grab 4 AA batteries.
4 double A's. 4. So it looks like, oh yeah, and then it's got the drawing here. So up, down, and up, and down.
Okay, I'll close that.
Alright, and we add the drum
Okay,
back to it.
so I'll clip this in here. I'm assuming you press this down here. Yep, and there it is. It's clicked into place there. So there it is, and let me test it out. There
Yep,
it
there's
is.
the flywheels.
Yep, flywheels running.
So
And you hold this down, I'm assuming? I
gonna
think
try
it's
it out.
full auto.
yeah, so let's
Wanna
try it
try
out.
it out here?
Sure, why not?
I'll just shoot a couple here.
Right about
try
there
it.
so they can see
Is
it.
that good right there?
Yeah,
Angle.
that's good.
Okay, I think it's single fire. Oh, wow. Whoops. I'll have to go
Pretty
find
good.
that one later.
Alright, let's save the rest and we'll reload the mag. And then let's take it outside and give it a try.
Alright, so we're here out in the field and I'm going to test out the range on this. I'm going to do 4 shots straight and 4 shots arched, and then we can tally up the feet on that. I'll do heel to toe on those. Alright, turn this on here. Okay. Alright, so there's 4 shots right there. Heel to toe here. shots right there.
Yeah.
67 for the first one. 72. 78. And then 79 for the last one. Almost 80.
Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing review of the Adventure Force Rebel Mech. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Also check out some of our other videos. Until next time, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts.